Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Curly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well with good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. Trendiest Mesmerizing, and today I show you in this video very attractive and stylish collection of low maintenance hairstyle for girls, for women, for mature women, many much more stylish ideas of hairstyle with beautiful haircut, eye-catching hair dye, and many much more stylish and trendy collection of low maintenance hairstyle for girls, for women, for mature women you see in this video. I hope you like it. Different ideas of haircut in low maintenance: Pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, and different type of cut. Some ideas layered and some ideas in undercut, and so beautiful ideas of hair dye: blonde color, burgundy color, light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color. Some ideas, funky colors, and so beautiful collection of highlights with different ideas of base color. Trendy collection of hairstyling in low maintenance, fine hairstyle, messy hairstyle. Mostly ideas in low maintenance hairstyle, in spiky hairstyle with different ideas of undercut and shaved art. Overall ideas, latest and trendy. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous, you look very pretty. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you, please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't go without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media accounts. Once again, I request you, if you are not subscribed my channel, so please make sure you do subscribe my channel and like my video. So friend, thank you so much. You're watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll write back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.